Hello and welcome to the channel about nothing. In this video, I will show you how to install overdoor awnings. Let's see what's inside the box. We have a polycarbonate awning sheet, mounting brackets, back and front fixing bar. Let's see what's wrapped here. Inside the wrapped packet there are fixing screws, fixing bolts, washers and wall plug set, and an aluminium foil strips for sealing the mounting brackets, and an installation manual. We start by sliding the front and the back fixing bar onto the polycarbonate awning sheet. Then stick the aluminium foil strips on the opposite edges of the polycarbonate awning sheet for water sealing. The awnings are now assembled and ready for installation. To install the awnings, I used a spirit level, a power drill, a screwdriver, a shifting spanner, you can use a ratchet if you have, and a hammer. Ensuring that the awning is level, mark the location of the bolt holes where the awning is to be fitted. Drill 10 mm holes. Please ensure that you do not drill anything larger than 10 mm, as this will result in supplied fixing bolts not gripping sufficiently to support the awning. If the masonry is not strong enough to secure bolts firmly, use an epoxy filler. This can be sourced from any hardware store. Fit and tighten the screws at the back and front of the mounting brackets before mounting it. Apply a coat of silicone sealer to the aluminum strip at the top and bottom where it joins the wall. Once your awning has been installed, wait approximately 24 hours for the silicone to cure and dry properly. It is then advisable to wash the surface with clean, fresh water using a chamois leather or soft cloth. This has the advantage of removing all tracks of static charge from the sheet after the removal of the protective film, which might otherwise attract dust. The awnings should be washed down periodically to remove grime and dust that might build up over time. The cleaning can be done with clean water, to which a small amount of detergent or dishwashing liquid has been added. 5 milliliters detergent to 5-liter clean water. The use of any solvents or corrosive cleaning agents or window cleaning products is not recommended. A chamois leather or soft cloth like a microfiber cloth is suitable for cleaning your awning, but cloths must not be used dry as this can leave fine surface scratches. There you have it. The awning is nicely installed. After mounting the awning, remove the protective film from the top and bottom of the board. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button.